India's first cooperative run national taxi service called as Bharat Taxi would be released in 2026. Now, this is a very different model from the privately owned model, and this would be based on a cooperative model. So, it would be managed by Sehkar Taxi Cooperative Limited, and the drivers would not be contractors, they would be the Sarthis or the shareholders, and they would have equal right dividend potential, and they will be backed by Government of India. Also, most important thing under it is there would be no flexi fares that would be launched. So initial launch occurs with the regions in Delhi. However, by mid 2026, it is proposed that this would expand to more than 20 cities across India. The late 2025 trials began in Delhi and Rajkot Airport. Now, this idea has been backed by 8 important institutions, which are the supporters for cooperatives include Amul, IFCO, NABARD, NCDC, NDDB, CRICBO, NADEF and NCEL. Now, if you look onto the private platforms, there is a huge amount, nearly 25% goes to platform commission. However, under Bharat Taxi, 100% of the earnings would go to the taxi driver. There would be a subscription, a nominal fee which would replace the commission basis, and the dividends would be given to the Sarthis. Now, again, this system would be backed by DigiLocker, Umang and API Setu. The most important things under it would be, as we said, the fares would be transparent, no surge pricings would be there. There would be seamless integration with metro lines and the airports. The drivers would be verified, and 24/7 support system with real tracking would be provided. So the projected growth, it is believed that there would be more than 1 lakh Sarthis by 2030, and this would be a unique model in itself to bring in a cooperative run national taxi service. Idea similar to the Amul cooperative that was brought for dairy revolution. So this was a very important topic, highly important for your upcoming examination point of view, and of course we'll be covering more interesting topics for you. Stay tuned, have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining.